Hi guys, yeah, welcome back to my channel once again. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Airtime account step by step. If you have been using an app or working on any site and you reach the payment section only to find out that Airtime is the only option and you have no idea how it works, in this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and verify your account and start using it to receive money globally. Without wasting much of your time, guys, let's dive into the main video. Now, all you need to do is to head over to the Play Store and download Airtime. I'm going to be putting a screenshot on this video now on the screen. Go ahead and download it. Once you download it, all you need to do is to create an account. If you don't have it before, go ahead and create an account. But if you have it before, go ahead and log in. Okay. Then, if you don't have it, create an account. They are going to ask you, what country do you live in? Okay, because I based in another country and my originality is from Nigeria, I'm going to go ahead and select Nigeria because time will come where I'm going to submitting my document. That's my Nigeria document, okay? But if you want to choose the country you're from, make sure you have the country that you choose, their ID or any document, okay? In case. Okay, right now you are going to see get paid and use your money. Your money in your account is safer with no blah 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 blah. You can see what type of account do you want to create. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and choose personal. Okay, if you are using it to receive money, choose personal. Do not click on business. Okay, because if you click on business, time will come where you're going to be submitting settled document. Okay, now you're going to tell us about yourself. Okay, you're going to go ahead and select the date of birth that is on your ID card or your passport. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and select my date of birth. I'm already fill my legal name. Okay, let me just go ahead and select my date of birth, my legal date of birth. Okay, I've already selected it. Then I'm going to click continue. If I click on continue, they're going to bring me to this interface. They're going to ask me to enter my address. Okay, make sure the address you are going to enter here is valid. Okay, do not enter invalid address here because time will come when you're going to be submitting everything here. Okay, then I will fill my line 2 address and my line 1. You need to fill in your city and I need to go ahead and fill my city. Okay, let me just finish my address line 2. Okay, make sure everything I'm going to be putting here is going to be correspond with your ID. Okay, the ID you're going to submit. Okay, now you can see I want to put city, then you put a postal code. In case you don't, maybe you don't remember your postal code, all you need to do for you to go to Google. For me, I actually go to Google my own. Okay, so and after I copy it from Google, I need to paste here and it's good. Okay, they're going to ask you to select your state. They're going to ask you to put in your active phone number. I'm going to be putting my Togo phone number here because okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put my Togo phone number. You can see, do you have any referral? Because if somebody invited you, can say it here. Okay, so but if you don't have anybody that invited you, then you can leave it. As you can see, after you have filled everything correct, they're going to bring it here. They're going to ask you to edit it in case you made a mistake. Go through it. If you made a mistake, just go ahead and edit it and submit it. Okay, now you can see that once you click on create, then you're going to see that well done, welcome to Airtime. Okay, you can see add fund to Airtime. Okay, see, and you can see that I have USD account and also have safer because I'm in Togo right now. They're using safer. That's the reason why you are seeing this. Okay, that's why you're seeing safer. But if you're from Nigeria or from Philippines, any country, they're going to be seeing your local currency here on this app. Okay, so because I'm in Togo right now, that is why I bring out USD and safer. Okay, and this is the payment method they have e-wallet, they have bank, they have cryptocurrency, a lot of things that you can actually use to add money or receive money on this app or even withdraw. Okay, you can withdraw with your local bank. on this platform, okay, as far as you are verified, okay. Before putting any money here, make sure you have already verified your account before putting anything. You can see that select payment method. You can see, let me just click on, okay. If you look down, you are going to see generate income on airtime, the only place to earn income worldwide. Receive payment direct to your airtime account. Okay, as you can see, get more out of airtime. This is what you're going to be finding on this airtime. Okay, now you can see virtual account. In this app, you can actually open a US virtual account and also Euro virtual account on this platform. As you can see, there are three. You can see a lot of currency are there which you can actually open for free. As you can see, receive transfer directly to your ATM account. Virtual account make it cheaper and easier to move money into ATM and receive international payment through US and European account detail, or add funds locally from your local bank. You can see they explain everything there. Okay, for you to open this, you don't need any, like, they don't charge money before open. You can see they're telling me to open it. Okay, now for you to open it, this is what you're going to be doing. Okay, what you need to do is for you to click on the open option. If you click on the open option, they are going to ask you to for a verification. That means you need to verify your identity. That is the reason why I tell you from the beginning of this video and tell you that make sure any information you're about to provide during the setup account, make sure it is correct so that you will not encounter problem during the verification process. Because for you to open all these virtual accounts, US virtual account and Euro virtual account, you need to verify your document. Okay, you can see passport, NIN, or your, I think, your ID card. Okay, any documents they requested for you is depend on your country. Okay, maybe my country own and your country might not be the same thing. Okay, cross check it very well. You can see select a country. Okay, make sure you select the country that your ID, that is your ID is from. Make sure everything select here is accurate. You can see they are bringing Togo for me because I'm not from Togo and I'm from Nigeria. I need to go ahead and select Nigeria. Okay, check your country and select it. You can see that select the country that issued your government ID. You can see we have a few more questions to get to know you better. You can see occupation detail. Please select your, it's optional. Make sure you click on it and select your occupation. You can see your country. I'm not going to be doing all of that now because of this video, because if I do it longer, it might take up to 20 or 21 minutes video. By then people are not going to watch it. Okay, right now you can see that you can actually withdraw to your, like, after everything, after you have verified your account, you can actually withdraw here to your local bank. Okay, you can withdraw with your domiciliary Nigeria account or your Naira account on this app. Maybe you perform tax in any app. What you need to do is for you to come over here and copy your AirTime account and send it to them. Then you receive your funds, and here you can actually transfer your funds from airtime to your local bank. As you can see, bank, you can, like, if you want to withdraw to your mobile wallet, you can actually do that. All you need to do is for come over here and search for your country payment method and use it to withdraw. Okay, so this is the mobile wallet that is here. You can see different payment method that you can actually use here. Okay, different country, MTN mobile money, a lot, Airtel mobile money. You can see Naira Bank. You can use it to withdraw, depending on your country. Okay, so this is how this place work. All you need to do for you to go ahead and verify your identity and start using your airtime account to withdraw your money in any place you want to perform tax, or you want to work, as in you want to do survey anywhere, and maybe airtime is the payment method. Do not worry, just go ahead and create yours. It's very, very simple. Okay, as you can see, you can actually invite your friends on this app and earn USDC on this app. Okay, that is dollar. You can actually earn, as you can see, record the short phrase to train AI. So in this place you can actually train AI, like AI training data. You can see data science and analysis. Okay, you can see a lot of tasks you can actually do on this app. But before going ahead and do it, make sure you read everything there correctly to know if it requires money to you to put. Okay, make sure you do investigation very well before doing any activities as a tax on this platform. But you can actually invite your friends and earn just like other app. Okay, so I'm gonna be stopping here, guys. If you have any question, you can drop it on the comment section below. Okay, so thank you so much for watching and see you guys.